I got this. The review for this is really small and very compact, so it can fit onto my Tamiya TD1, the upper deck. It's really awesome, and I can't wait to drive with it. I'll show you the video shortly. So the sound, it has a blow-off valve. When you give a hard throttle, sound exactly like a drift car. And not only that, this it comes with the sound already, so I haven't gone online to download any more sound of it. So far it's good. I love it. Okay, so just to review, right in the middle here we have the sound kit, Backfire, and smoker. All right, this is only possible because of the chassis that Tamiya built. It's a shaft-driven chassis. Everything is hidden inside, so no matter what I put on top, it protects the drivetrain exactly like a real car. Alright, let's put on the shell now. Alright, so the shell is on now. Throttle to start the engine. Alright, going for a test drive now.